Chapter 4 Introduction to PowerPoint. There are many presentation software available in the market. For example, PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org, Impress Open Source, SlideRocket. We will discuss PowerPoint in this chapter. It is a presentation software used by Microsoft Company. This application software is used to make effective presentations, and it uses slides to convey information rich in multimedia. PowerPoint was first developed by Dennis Austin and Thomas Rutkin at Forethought. Firstly, it was named Presenter and was renamed as PowerPoint in 1987. Slide and presentation. Slide. As film is made of many incidents, the same way presentation is made of many slides. A slide is a single page of a presentation. It is just like 35 non-film based slide. Slide may consist of text, graphic, audio or video. Presentation. A presentation is composed of several slides. The aim of presentation is to make subject matter easy to understand by inserting pictures, text, graphs, charts, animation. The best presentation uses approximately 10 to 12 slides. You can insert animation effects, audio and video clips in your slides to make your presentation effective. Starting PowerPoint. There are three ways to start PowerPoint. 1. Through Start button. 2. Through Search box. 3. Through shortcut on desktop. Through Start button. 1. Click on Start menu. 2. Click on PowerPoint. Through Search box. 1. Click on Search box. 2. Type PowerPoint or Power in search box. 3. Press Enter key from keyboard. Through shortcut on desktop. If there is PowerPoint shortcut on desktop, then double-click on the shortcut and the PowerPoint parts of PowerPoint window. PowerPoint window contains File menu, Menu bar tab, Ribbons, Slide pane, Notes pane, Status bar, Slide tab. File menu. This menu is located at the left of the Home tab. It contains commands such as New, Save, Save as, Open, Print, Save and Send, Help, Exit, etc. Quick Access toolbar. It is located on the upper side of the File menu. It mainly contains three buttons such as Save As, Undo, Redo. You can customize this toolbar and can add any button that you require frequently to have an easy and faster access. Menu bar tab. Each menu bar tab is task-oriented and opens the ribbon that is divided into subtasks. Ribbons. When you click on any tab, then ribbon shows the tab tools and commands present on the ribbon. Ribbon and working. Home. It contains all features of clipboard, slide, font, paragraph, drawing and editing options. Insert. It contains inserting table, text box, clip art, smart art, symbols, insert videos, charts, photo album, etc. Design. It contains change, page layout, slide themes, colors, background styles and graphics. Transition. It contains all features of transition of slide, timing, sound effects. Animation. Animation, advanced animation and timing. Slideshow. Slideshow for entire presentation, rehearse timings, monitor settings for slideshow. Review, proofing techniques, commands, language and compare. View, presentation views, master view, ruler, grid lines and guides, zoom, color, windows and macro. Note, when you write any text, then a new tab named Format is shown, which contains clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing and editing options. Slide pane. It is an area in which slide can be created and edited. Notes pane. It is present above the status bar. It is used to enter speaker note. Status bar. It can contain view options, allows you to zoom in and zoom out and use different viewing formats. Slides outline pane. It shows the miniature version of the slides. It also shows the order of slides in the entire presentation. How to make presentation. There are many ways of creating presentation in PowerPoint. These are as follows. 1. Blank presentation. 2. Recent templates. 3. Sample templates. 4. Themes. 5. My templates. 6. Blank presentation. It is a slide with blank background. In the blank presentation, you can insert text, background, pictures and other things in slides to create customized slide. To create presentation through blank presentation, 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Click on New. 3. Under Available Templates and Themes, we see Blank Presentation. 4. Press Enter or press Ctrl N. Recent Templates. It contains the recently used templates by the user. You can create presentation by using any of these. To create presentation through recent templates, 1. Click the File menu and then click New. 2. Under Available Templates and Themes, you can select Recent Templates. 3. Select any template of your choice and press Enter. Sample templates. You can create presentation by using any of these. You can also download more templates from internet. With this, you can also create contemporary album, etc. To create presentation through sample templates, 1. Click the File menu and then click New. 2. Under Available Templates and Themes, you can select Sample Templates. 3. Select any sample template of your choice, for example, Contemporary Photo Album, Classic Photo Album, etc. and